Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your video on TikTok as a draft without posting it. Let's dive in. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's create a brand new post. Let's click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. Let's select our post. Let's pick this one over here. Now you can essentially pick some of these sites on the small settings bar on the side, text, contrast, whatever you guys want. I'm not gonna stop by on this. I presume you guys already know how this actually works. When you actually click next and proceed to the final step, right before publishing the content, you have an option to simply scroll down to the bottom and click drafts. Okay, so when you go back to our profile over here, and I can refresh, so you will see you will have your draft over here on the top left corner. It will even move all the pinned posts that you previously had on your profile, just to remind you next time when you go back to your profile that you have a draft that you have to publish, right? So when you click on it, you have two options. Option number one will be to proceed and publish it. All you gotta do is to click once and then click next and then click post. Simple as it is. But if we want to do something different, right? If we go back and let's say we don't like the post anymore, or post is not relevant anymore, we want to delete the post. How we can delete our draft post on TikTok? All we gotta do is to click on the top right corner, click on select, then click on the actual image or video, and then click on the lower right corner, lower center corner, excuse me, and then click delete. Simple as it is, guys. We go back to your profile and boom, there is no more draft video saved in your profile. And this is how you save your video as a draft on TikTok, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.